Tennessee. Woohoo! Whatever that boy said. Riki Rose here. Mimi Rose, the Schwester. Miriam guitar. The niece. Don't look at the camera, just look at the road. She's our driver, so she's taking us there.
We are going to a music trip.
Music trip. Hello, Osanayas. 1, 2, 3.
Come with us on our musical journey. We're gonna have, there's gonna be music live, there's gonna be concerts, there's gonna be, you know...
Attracted.
Bye bye, Karala. Kijk naar Sharachappen. Bye bye, Karala. Kijk naar Sharachappen. Bye bye.
Trying to get the harmony of it. Bye bye, Karala. Kijk naar Sharachappen. 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 Hey, we killed that. We have 3 people watching us. Hi, 3 people.
Hi, 3 people.
Wow, so we're 3 and 3.
3 and 3. So what games can we play? Should we play that game, the one-word story game?
Yeah.
For our road trip?
Yes.
Okay. We'll do it in Yiddish. Let's do one in Yiddish and one in English.
Okay, that's a good one.
Or you know what? Because it's something you have to improvise, so it's whatever comes naturally.
Oh,
Okay.
Ochet, yeah.
But we're gonna end up with Yiddish.
well, and
That's
we're
true.
gonna end up
We
with
have to do a
Yiddish,
challenge to do
but
only
then
English.
we could do, let's try once in Yiddish, and then we'll maybe do an English one.
Look who's here, Tony Macaroni. He says, oh my, it's the Schwesters. OMG, the Schwesters. So we're not the Schwesters, we are
Yes.
the Weiber, technically, but
We have 2 Schwesters here and
we
one
have 2
niece.
Schwester and a niece. Schwester and Plemenitze. Nichte. Or Nichte. Alright, so let's start the game. Basically, we have to say a word and improvise, and it turns into a story. Kind of like improv.
Zij willen schon zijn.
Okay, so I'm gonna start. Amul
Bin,
Ich,
gegangen,
sie,
a,
Park,
in,
gesetzt,
auf,
de,
Bank.
nachdem,
bin,
Ich,
geschlafen,
in,
de,
Park. Gekommen,
a, der,
in,
ich,
hab,
mich,
erschrocken.
gut,
stark,
Tim,
toll,
de,
Beer,
is,
gestanden,
neben, man,
boog,
man,
Hut,
is,
geween,
Seier,
aufgestanden,
Finn,
de,
Ruis,
Schreck,
was,
de,
Beer,
hat,
mich,
Banimmen,
mit,
de,
Beer,
is,
geween,
gut, groß,
in,
stark, in,
hingerig,
ze,
is,
geween,
moeilijk,
a,
größe,
Schreck,
Finn,
de,
nachdem,
is,
es,
weg,
gegangen,
die,
Wald,
ze,
is,
geween,
gut,
oh, that's so good. Service is a little spotty. We can't say in the Spiegel, of gaat men in doen?
Ik ken de spiegel, ja, ja.
Okay.
Denkt.
Okay, now we're gonna do one in English. One
time,
I
went
to,
please
grocery.
There
Were
a lot
of
pennies.
and
also
A lot
of
quarters. A
big
pishka.
for
Pishkas is a logo box. For charity.
And
I
Wanted
to
take
from
the pishka.
because
I need
money very
very
much.
the
pishka.
Was
Unfortunately,
I
did
not
get
anything more
from
the
pishka.
Die kent draaien met die lachste.
Hij moet drive staat tegen mij gewoon gering door.
Die heks doen zit zich te wakkelen.
Alright,
That
let's
was
start a
the
new one.
back one, huh?
The
Okay.
English one's pretty good. Okay. Let's do another English one.
Let's do another English one, yeah. Davis verstaan.
Okay. Now someone else start.
Okay. Once,
Upon
A time.
2 weten. Oké, met de time.
there
Was
A
big
house.
in
the
Forest.
and
there
Was
a
big
light.
from
the
Palace.
the
palace.
Was
very
scary.
Wait, that was my turn.
Yeah, your turn, yeah.
That's okay. Palace was very scary. And
My turn
And I
was
very
far.
from
home.
So
I
Went
closer.
to
home.
Then
suddenly
I
see
okay
was
beating
very
slow.
so
I
Went
backwards
to
my
place
to
take
some
Klanapen
because
there
was
a
big scary
bear. Oh God. Okay. You have to-
okay.
Okay. So he went to the house. It was a big scary bear and took a lot of
you know
If you see a bear, guys, take Klonopin.
That's the
That's
idea.
it.
all of the story
You'll just be calm. You know, whatever happens, happens. But
Exactly.
at least you won't panic.
yeah. I'm
Good
not that
point.
tissue.
Sometimes you have to panic. That is a good thing.
But
Yeah.
till the Klanapen kicks in, I think you're gonna panic.
That's
If
true.
there's a bear, you should rather panic than
You should
take
rather
Klanapen.
panic. Correct. Someone gave us a gift of $4.99.
Yeah. It's all
Okay.
fun. Very jealous.
Yeah, yeah.
Marble cake sky.
Fababi. That's an inside joke. Wow. We're like a bunch of little kids on a road trip. We're a bunch of little kids.
Yes.
Also, we're even more little.
Yes.
And Riki
I'm
is
I'm the
our
chaperone.
She's the adult here, you know.
I'm the adult.
She's already past the inner child. She's already by the outer child.
Shout out to Isaac Lick, outer child.
Yeah.
Big fan, love your stuff.
Love your stuff.
Love your stuff.
We have 3 people watching, guys.
Wow.
Yo, 3 people watching. Say something in the comments. What's up? How are you? Now we have 2 people watching. It's the middle of the day. People are working. Nobody's like the guys like us.
Yeah.
Taking a road trip in the middle of a Monday. We gaan mee cursen. Ah, Faggy! Hey girl! Oh my god!
Hi, Faggy. I
know
know
Faggy,
who you are,
yes.
but
Hi.
douche.
I think you've met her at one of the concerts.
hi. Okay, hi.
Yes. Fai, get hoe
Jullie
smaakt
gaan
het
baas binnen schaaien met de draad doen.
Yo, die drive. We're like,
Miriam and Sarah, die
we all have anxiety.
Live.
We all have anxiety here, so we're like extra cautious people. Because
So
we're
now we
like,
don't have anxiety because we all have anxiety, you know?
Yeah.
yeah, so it's a bunch of us with
Also, we
anxiety.
decided on this trip if we have anxiety, we're gonna just have anxiety.
Yes. So that's
We're
what we're
gonna
gonna
welcome the anxiety.
do. Welcome. And
We're gonna
we're not gonna feel. We're just gonna feel. Ah, zeg het aan.
En vrouw zegt niet zo veel. Heil, niet heil. We brauchen zijn, wie zijn mij is.
That's it. And off with the healing.
Jeder geht auf a journey. Wir brauchen nicht gehen auf der journey.
That journey. So, what other games should we play? 2 truths and a lie.
Dus.
Everyone has to say 2 truths and 1 lie, and you have to guess what's
Okay.
the truth and what's the lie.
So weer ga ik doen.
I'll start. Okay, so 1. Wow, this is a difficult one. Let's see. 2 truths and a lie. 1.
Wauw, kijk hoe
That's not interessant. You know what? I'm not so good at that.
Okay, so
Maybe. Okay, you start.
Okay. In English?
It doesn't matter.
2 truths and 1 lie?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm on a road trip now.
That's the lie. Okay.
That's the lie? Okay.
I'm saying it's obvious, but it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
I love pink.
Okay.
Tuna.
Okay.
The lie
If
is...
she likes tuna, foy tuna. Tuna. A tuna sandwich. Growing up, tuna wasn't tuna, it was tuna. Mach a tuna sandwich. Esa tuna sandwich. So automatically we hated tuna.
So automatically we're allergic to tuna.
I'm actually severely allergic to fish, but these guys don't like tuna.
So we say that we're
Well,
allergic.
tuna was like this. I don't know. Tuna's kind of gross, no?
Yeah, it is.
The tuna steaks look okay, but those tuna
Yeah,
salads,
yeah.
like canned tuna,
Yeah, we made everyone
fish
hate
in a
this.
can. I don't know about that.
Yeah, same. No,
I ain't about that.
No.
Okay, your turn, Miriam. 2 truths and a lie.
Okay.
Macht so ein bisschen interessant.
2 emisses and a liggend.
So,
I'm a tuna schon liggend, but
gehaat
The game purpose.
hand. I'm niet. Handgebrascht moet zijn.
okay,
Gewoon echt een gebrascht moet zijn.
okay.
En ik heb eiernechten bij nacht gebrascht moet zijn.
Oh shit.
Die hat einmal nicht gebrascht die Zeit.
So which one's the lie? Eiernechten bij nacht gebrascht
Eiernechten
aan
bei Nacht,
zijn.
dass du nicht gebrascht hat sein.
Als es geht gefehlt.
Ken zijn gewoon bij ja, dat moet gebrascht moet zijn. Jetzt als ik tracht zurück.
The liggend is, als gesucht liggend.
Als wir gemeint,
Als
dass
wir
die gebrascht
gemeint,
die
sie
Zeit,
gebrascht-
aber echt hat die ja gebrascht die Zeit.
The lie is that the lie that she said was actually the truth. That was the lie. Someone said, and gefilte fish out of a can is better. No, that's gross.
Yeah, ew.
Gefilte
I
fish,
Not the fish in
period.
general is nice.
Exactly. Gefilte fish is gross. So no thank you. No offense to everyone who likes it. It's disgusting. Unless unless you put spicy grind. I've never had fish, so I can't. I'm allergic, always been. But with the bunch of grind, I heard is like.
Yeah, but no, the only fish I like is salmon.
Salmon.
We don't
Salmon.
like fish.
No fish for us. No fish. No fish. No fish. No. Say no to fish. No more fish.
Zat vloesveder snappie.
Vloesveder and snappie? What is that? Scales and fins? Oh, it's heavy. Oh. Where are you headed? We are headed to Nashville, Tennessee. It's another good at that. Ah, it's an echt a cowboy hat.
Nee, dat is
It's not a legit cowboy hat.
No.
Okay, so schon du a hit. Boots hat man auch?
Boots hat man nicht, was es heißt.
Sie heißt
Sie heißt so Boots.
Schon. Ein bisschen moeichel zijn. We gaan auspoilen bij Kibrat Sadiqim in Nashville. De heilige Rebbe Johnny Cash. De Rebbe, wie nog? Hij leeft nog, Willie Nelson leeft nog. We gaan naar de Kvittel, naar de Brugge. Zie de Rebbe Willie Nelson.
Wie heist die nou dat? Een Estes.
Estes. Gaat ook zijn Rebbe's Nestes. Gaat ook zijn Apple zingen, Apple show. Waarom beginnen? Country beginnen. Ja, zingen. Komt de goede schedel, takken, ja.
Ja.
Sa banden laat zoen op doen. Mooi zo laat.
Er braucht wissen einfach, wie man geht, wie man steigt, wie viel wie man ist. Soll man machen, dus wo es ist, soll man es machen, kevod Hashem.
Schön. Schroes als je
Ik zijn naar Schroes Aschine.
Ja, okay. Ein bisschen schwer zu halten am Telefon, du. Was noch? Wie lange haben wir schon live schon? 70.
Het wil zijn de views, kennst du schon
Oh, dan waren van Neulam de views. Heerlijk shine. Wow, kijk die shine. Pshie.
Kijk de vrouw.
Shine view, kijk die bij me. Heerlijk. Shine bij me. Pshie. Okay, that's it. You saw it, now back to us. Now you have to look at our face. Wow, this is actually really gorgeous. Flusa boyde.
Mooi dat ik.
Rabbi Mashiach Hashem. Kilan Bechach Moshisu. Hallo, Rekinu Nechudai Wes Hashem.
Dus kan man zingen.
Ein Mispar.
Ooit man zingt etwas, geht man nicht wieder bezahlt for the live.
Ja, maar
If we sing, then we can't make too much money on the live because then it's copyrighted. But you know what?
Second, we can make a song.
We can make a song or we can sing one of your songs.
We
We can make up a
freestyle.
song.
Country freestyle.
Country freestyle, okay. What is that country? A country beat. Ik ken
Some
het
English
guitars
drum,
with the
that's
guitar.
what
By the way, some of the guitar,
Some on a guitar.
Some
Oh, mira,
of
du kennst das nehmen the guitar.
this is accessible. Die kan spelen gitaar? Nee, ze gaat mag op een week terug gitaar.
Ja.
Live.
Oh, that's a good
Mag je
idea.
live of... Oh, oké, kijk.
Kijk, Mohammed, dat is Mohammed.
Oh, de gitaar, oké.
erop mag ik deze echt
No,
Okay, leave it. We're gonna make it on the way back.
Yeah,
On the way back,
on the way back.
we'll do live with the guitar. This one we'll just do comedy.
Oké, geniet met hem.
Geniet met hem hetel, no, gegangen.
Ja, dat
Alles met hij gewoon, je mal biertje doe.
Hast du zwei Hitler auf einmal?
Zwei Hitler. Doppelt ist versichert. Zweimal beschützt.
Okay, now boys say, what other games should we play? Do you have any questions for us that we can answer? Q&A.
Okay, guys, ask us
questions.
whatever.
The 7 people watching. It went down to... Y'all are getting bored.
Zij willen een spreken en
Okay. Should we play... Oh, I didn't do two truths and a lie.
Oh.
Okay. So, one... Someone said, let's see you composing a song on the spot. Okay, we'll do that after. But right now... let's do two and a lie. One... let's see. 1, my father doesn't talk to me. Ha ha ha. 2, why is that funny? 2, my mother doesn't talk to me. And 3, my sister doesn't talk to me. Which one is the lie? Actually, no, that's 2
Lies.
No,
It's 2
that's
two
it's
truths
lies.
and a lie.
Two
Okay,
lies.
no. My father doesn't talk to me. My mother doesn't. Now you're gonna know what's.
Epic.
I naturally have curly hair is 1. I love pink. And I love red,
I know about the lies.
which is the
Your hair
lie.
is naturally curly.
My hair is not naturally good. But entertaining. Gosh.
Ik neem aan met snor 6 mensen.
Schoenisch kein Mensch werden, finde ich. I would trade my Russian for your Yiddish in a minute. They didn't teach me. So let's do a Yiddish class.
Okay, let's do it.
Favorite Yiddish word?
Favorite Yiddish word?
So pick any.
Because Yiddish is my favorite sprach.
So just pick any word. We got 2 gifts. Thank you from
Aw.
people. That's so nice.
Laat me echt daar echt graag. Weiß nicht.
Okay, Miriam. Andere Miriam.
Imbaparata.
Imbaparat. It means like when someone can't get their shit together.
It's
Imbaparat.
not my favorite word, but it's a word that I you can't say it in English. Like
It's a good word. There's no English there. You have to say you can't get your shit
there's
together.
no way to say it in English. Even if you
And-
explain it, it's not the same. Like,
Yeah, and the same person who's in Baparat can one day be Baparat. So
that's
it's not
also
like,
true. Yeah.
it's like, yeah. Okay. Miriam, did you get anything?
Lameres.
Lameris? What does that mean?
It means juches.
Lameres.
Juches is ook het goed weer.
Juches, yeah.
What, it means like junk?
It means like
Clutter?
Yes.
Clutter, yeah.
Lameris. I never heard that. Is that tatis? Okay. It's okay. No, she's not gonna watch it. We have 12 people watching. Sherabaches? These are new words because he didn't say that when I was at home.
Lopat.
Lopet. Yeah. That's a shovel, like the one you use to with dirt. Not with that you use to put to the dust. The dustpan. Dustpan. That's what it was.
The shovel.
Lopet. All right.
Or the
So
mixkast.
so I decided, by the way, that I'm not gonna give them enough now, but I feel bad. Okay. So what else?
So now we're gonna compose a song.
Now we're gonna compose a song. All right.
Not compose, we're gonna freestyle.
We're gonna freestyle, yes. And you don't be afraid to sound silly, guys. This is gonna come out sounding silly. I've been freestyling for a very long time. I had a hard time freestyling because I had this fear of not sounding good,
Yeah.
and therefore you overthink it and you can't freestyle. So you have to be okay with being silly, sounding good, sounding like you make no sense, brain farting, whatever.
Yeah.
So let's start.
Don't judge us.
Bum,
Don't judge
bum.
a book by the cover.
We need like
Yeah,
without
yeah,
music
judge
it's
by
much
the-
harder,
Yeah.
but we could try. We could pick a tune and go over this.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Bum, 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 ba-da-ba-ba. Okay. What tune should we use? I always like to use the don't worry, be happy. Ooh, la 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 la. Ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da. Ba-ba-da-ba-da. But wait, if it could get copyrighted again, so let's make up something. Okay, we'll make something up. Moira vera boysai, Moira vera boysai. And sitz mit du in der car,
Ins op mijn gitaar.
in ins fuhr mir also far.
That is like a shine. That was more than the
Ins
one.
das oben, das ist Moira oben, sie sind stupid, drum. Das ist Moira oben, sie sound silly. Also wie Jeder eine singt in Sicily. Das war schön, war
Silly
schön.
Billy. Da.
Ba 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 da ba. Ba 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 da ba. Ba da 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 da. Jetzt fuhren wir durch auf dem Weg zu Nashville. Und den fuhren auch ich will. Gehen wir dann zu singen a Liedl. Ringen, Spiel auf der Fiedel.
Ich mach nicht gern geredet.
We're terrible at this. We're so bad at this. And we're just putting it out for the public to see how bad we are at this. But that's
So
the
echte
thing.
mensen kunnen get the composers. Menschen.
No, we
No,
are.
I feel like
We're
with
just,
music,
we need to
very
sit
hard
and
without
we music.
music.
It's very hard
Yeah.
without music. And we also, we need to like sit
Come here,
like,
Ira
in
mag haar beat.
solitude
Oh,
to
perfect.
write.
We kent als een rap.
Bussen geweest auf dem Weg zu Nashville. Geschleppt und Backflip. Zijn op de
Kim,
ring
ga
in
me
de
voor met
ijsbak.
Timmer, ahin en zurück.
Meer vertaald aan Master van de Beer.
Geb nicht keinen Blick.
Af terug.
Gein nur Furos. Schuros.
Logos.
Ich hab ungeheuer zu trachten und ich weiß nicht, was zu sagen. Mein Kopf, es läuft und ich will mich also pluggen. Und nachdem ich viel...
de essen in mijn ogen.
Man darf allemaal gehen mit der Krugen. Man tut keinem nicht schlugen. Jeden einem soll man vertrugen.
In zich niet te veel jogen.
Ze bin ich geramen, ze meek ook zijn, nechten en togen.
Wissen wer Tinkel?
Läufig
Jeder
in
in
mijn
zo'n
winkel. Dat is de cheesiest gramen.
Auf mijn poenen is du rinkel. De kar get a blinkel.
Nice, ben hem kip daaraan kloer. Hajoer, ze zwoer. Ze is emmers in jeder eine in de kar get a voer. Sjoer, ja, ik hab scheine hoer. Ze is emmers in voer. In kloer, in boer. Als hij joer. Kijk me maar voor akkoord in een sjoer. Zeker, sjoer. Me voert in, 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 me voert in. Jetzt is du construction. Jetzt is du construction. Ze weer dat disruption.
Immer geht Lakschen.
Me voert auf den Weg. Wachen in Teeg. Als sagen jeg.
Ich reg.
In ich weg.
In die vreeg.
Ich meg.
Nice.
Wusse der gejeg.
Jetzt hat man gehit, a bissel treffig. Jetzt hat man gehit, ze weer du mächtig. Jetzt hat man gehit, me weer du prächtig. Kim maar aan, kloor, was het leven dingen lechtig. Hey.
Wow. Hey. Hey.
Just do it, just do it. Let it flow.
Zien voor shine de hemel.
Ja, keep going, keep going.
A
timmel.
A timmel.
Stay in the rhythm.
A bijs gimmel.
Hey, der hebben vliet in himmel.
De zachen weer een verschimmel.
Me drinkt dat gläsel kimmel. Bronfen. Kimmelbronfen.
Schoven.
Me vliet aufschroffen. A bissel kimmen brofen. Kimmer aan in hofen. Kimmer da gesoffen. Kimmer diese schloffen. Tararara rufen. Oh, oh. Me will aweg läufen. Zijn we doen op YouTube live. Mama schaf de drive. Kim maar aan in mijn huis live. Kim en ik zing met dier en ze drijft.
Hier draai.
Leven
Keiner
de.
kennt mich geheif.
Baruch Hashem.
Geb us nummer 5.
Hey, that was good. Raboisai, moira ve raboisai. Ich sing du in de hoosai. En ik zing aan Lidl. Nog maar schijn Lidl. Nog allemaal Fiedel Lidl. Oh god. It takes a lot of
In
practice.
Zebride Lidl.
Ja.
Zebride Lidl. Shout out in Zebride Lidl.
Ga ook op die
Hallo.
riedel. Shout-out to man die riedel.
Shout-out to Zam die riedel.
En zomer afvoeden met een needle.
Alright. Okay, that was freestyling. So look, we got good at it. You just have to let go. You really have to let go.
And then we have to fix the car.
We're still not good at it, but we're good at. But it's freestyle.
Button zijn het.
Button zijn het. It's
We
freestyle.
are good in the
so-
grinding.
In the grinding. It's grinding. He has good grammar. He's a good grammar. He's a good grammar. You know who needs to watch this live? Like all the Hasidic Yidden. They'll enjoy this.
Yeah.
Because of the Yiddish. And the Yiddiness.
Ja.
Somehow I feel like because we have this masculine way of speaking Yiddish.
We have men fans.
Men fans.
Men fans.
Yeah, that's why I say if I'm performing only for women, you're cutting my audience, like cutting 60% of my audience.
Men is better than a little.
Trying to fight patriarchy with my life.
Men. We don't mean to make
I don't think it has with the men. 613. Wow, our ETA is 613. Rabbi said. Maar toen staat een vagoenisch. Dan dacht ik hem 613.
Man lernt sich von du heraus. 613 Mitzvahs, nicht achillig wie mein Guide. 613 Mitzvahs von der Teure. Kommt mit überall.
Ja.
Man kann sich nicht herausdrehen.
Dus je eert zo.
Maar chef is ik bedoel, we kennen je, maar mijn guide zo op de trips, we kennen zo zich
Sie nicht du kann der
gelost
Teure.
trippen zum als besonders.
Ein Teure ist du. Nicht du noch. Man braucht Wissen. Ajoi.
Pedelwerter van de Rebbetzin alleen. And we're gonna end this live with the Pedelwerter Rebbetzin Tag. So gehen es agit
Man
war
soll sein
Misser.
Beschule, man soll kommen Beschule, man schmort sich ein, weil eine Schule in Teufel, man gibt gewünscht.
Oh mine. If you enjoyed this live, please subscribe to my YouTube. Follow me on Instagram. You can follow this car if you're on the I-81. You
Don't
can
say the
follow
license
us.
plate.
Ja, don't say the
I don't know the license plate. It's not my car.
Also watch this live a few times. so
Watch
we
this
make a lot
live.
of
Let this
money.
live play in the background while you're working so we can make $8, guys. And then we can split it 3 ways and we can pay for a quarter of a coffee. We can pay for a quarter of a coffee on our trip.
We could buy one coffee to
And-
share with the money.
Yes, we can share one coffee with the money. So please subscribe. Help us, Rose. Also, I'm gonna
Thank you for
be.
the people that gave a gift.
Thank you for who gave a gift. We got $9.98. Hello. That's already more than a coffee. That's like a coffee with tax.
It's a coffee for all
With
of
a
us.
tip. That's a coffee with a tip.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Releasing my album soon.
Oh, yay.
So I'm gonna be
It's
launching a
good stuff, good
fundraiser.
stuff coming.
And also, all we want is your money, guys. We don't care about anything else. We just want your money. So I'm launching. No, I'm kidding. I'm launching my album, and I'm launching a fundraiser for the album because the album it costs a lot of money, and I'm gonna need the whole community to donate, help make this album happen. The first ever Hasidic Yiddish originals by a woman, and songs
Guys,
that talks
support
about
my
like
sister, please.
real stuff, real.
Can you
Get
support
the good
it?
stuff.
You
Deep stuff, deep
you
stuff.
support yourself.
You guys have heard some of the songs, right?
Yes.
It's some good stuff.
Good songs.
Yes.
Good stuff. I've been working
You
on this so
never
hard.
hear this in your life.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Yes. So make sure you stay tuned when I post this fundraiser. It's only gonna be it's gonna be a short time. You're gonna have to donate within the short time to make this happen. Rabbi says Tiskele mitzvahs. I get in Piram, I get in Paisach, I get in Kodesh. I get. Abesser, yeah. Shkaya.